Morning,
What
babe.
the fuck, Andrew?
Sorry, good morning. A little sinus in my cold.
Why are you here?
I come over here for my phone and you mean when I'm over here, your father showed me last night like I'm run things. So
Why you keep asking
you
for
never
this
know
phone?
say your mother give him. What? Oh, you mean when I ask my phone on my phone?
Nobody has your phone. You didn't bring a phone.
Yeah. Until you sell out, you pick up your mother. You know. Me know you see me put on my phone for you.
I did not see nobody. No, I did not see nothing.
Well, me know I left today till me get my things, you know.
Nobody has your phone here.
I want to pick up for your mother here.
What's on your phone that you need it so bad?
On my phone, more on my phone, the video they on it when your mother cheat
What
by your
video?
father. And that I keep for me stay over here. I catch your mother cheat by you, and you not believe me no, but wait till me get my phone. That's why I want you go for your phone for me. Me pillar, I'm kinda hungry still. Where your mother cook? She cook nothing today?
I am hungry.
Yeah man, go on for some breakfast. See me. Ooh!
Move.
Remember, I want some cane juice. Walk over man, me not tired. Me can't get up right now. You're mad. Unlock the door. I don't want your father to catch me over here.
Oh, you lying.
What's your...
Hey, mom.
We had up on the steps.
I was coming downstairs just to food.
Oh. Food up on the stove.
Alright.
Hello, make sure don't eat it off. Nobody else done them. You damn craven. Left some for your father.
Okay, mom. Andrew, I got the phone.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Let me turn it on. Wait. See there? I tell you, the Rasta boy there.
Who is that? That's not my dad.
Me know, I know your father, me know your father, remember? I know him that. He might cheat by your mother.
Bring your drinks, you know, from there.
Maxine, you know, says a lovely wife. Yes, a lovely wife, you know, Maxine. Because me tired, you know.
You know.
Me just I say, boy, I believe you see Maxine from man.
Watch out. Watch out.
But Maxine, how are this? Are you mix this?
Yes. How are
Jesus Christ, Maxine. Sugar done in there?
No. How wrong with it?
Maxine, the sugar you outdated, man.
What's your trouble?
This tastes like you give me running belly.
Are we going so far?
Maxine, you couldn't mix something better
Oh,
than this.
give it to me.
No,
Me take it.
No, man, me thirsty, so I go drink it. But me have to say next time, do better.
Oh,
You know?
me do better
Do
right
better
now.
next time, man, but-
Give it to me and
No,
me do
man,
better
Maxine,
right
stop
now.
going to the Maxine. Me tell you, say me grateful for you go drinks.
Watch out.
Maxine, me grateful for you go drinks because I'm tired, man.
Oh,
How you dress up? How you go?
I'm going supermarket.
Oh, supermarket?
Yeah, you want something?
Buy the Epsom salt for me.
Okay.
For me get me so. Put this in the kitchen. Me soon
Yeah,
come feed Maxine.
yeah.
Me soon come feed it up. Now
Okay.
that's you end up put in the kitchen.
Okay, now.
Alright.
Listen, we have to stop this. We have to go done this. This have to end right now. Listen, it have to end. I have my husband. Yes, with this have to done. God. Yes.
You know what, I can't do this, please.
Listen. You get up. Yeah.
Do anything for you, you know,
Oh,
baby.
yeah,
Give me. You can't do the little trick again, you know. Oh, murder. Ah.
It's alright, you know. Yeah, we're done.
What?
We're done. Get up, get up. Shh. Alright, hush. Oh God, hush. You're alright. Okay. It's alright, Usher.
What me tell you about locking that in my house?
I was trying to wash my dishes.
Why you so... Move, go over there so me talk to you, man. Jody, me need to talk to you. Me need to have a serious conversation with you. Cause your mother probably not go tell you. And she don't know nothing, so me don't want she tell you nothing neither. But Jody, that boy Andrew, why you not left him alone?
He's a good person.
Jody, me hate him. Jody, you see nearly kill me down this already, eh? Jesus Christ, and you come tell me boy me is a good person? Jody, me hate the boy, you see? Jesus. Better me poison him. Jody, if you bring him back here, me go poison him, you know? And most grandma's one and ton call me. Why you not there with Sheppy, son?
Is he gay?
The man is a gentleman. Everybody nice is gay to you. Me I go set it up. Him is a nice little boy we go church. And you need to come to church with we too, so. Me I go call Sheppy and tell Sheppy if he set you up. Cause me no want to see you talk to the dirty Andrew no more. You hear me say? Jody, I want if you hear me talk to you.
Yeah, I hear that.
Don't bring back Andrew on my place.
I won't.
Don't bring back Andrew on my place.
I won't.
Me I go deal with Sheppy son something and then me make you get the number you call him here. Cause you can go to church one night. You have no frock? Me I go see that your mother get us on church frock so you can wear go to church. You see me? Alright, Jody. Jody, him nice, you know, he's a nice little boy, you know. He's a nice, you go like him. Trust me, I go like him. Alright, me soon come, alright? Alright, Jody.
Yeah, Tim, you see?
Relax. Shh.
So you fuck Sheppy son.
I said he's gay.
So Jody, you gay?
Really? Let's go.
Wait, what gay?
Let's...
Me ask your father. Sir! Yeah, Uncle me rough for what you know, me. Sure.
Maxine, when you go, you just come back.
Hold on there. A 3 shot, me did I forgo.
3 shot 4.
Your Epsom salt, I don't want to hear your mouth.
You get the Epsom salt?
Yes, it's in there.
Give me back here. You buy your crackers?
Yeah.
And that's why you're gone for so long.
You don't like crackers?
Maxine, me have something for you to ask you.
What's up?
Where are you supposed to do yesterday, Maxine?
I don't know.
Maxine, you never see her clean the kitchen.
So what?
Maxine, the kitchen not clean. You say you go clean the kitchen. The day before yesterday, you not clean it. You say you go clean it.
Like, come start sitting, you see, man.
Maxine, roach there everywhere. Me da drink little tea this morning,
Yes.
roach flying in my mouth. In my mouth, Maxine, roach fully covered them. Me have to go do it myself?
By all means.
Me will do it myself. No worry yourself, Maxine.
Yeah.
No worry yourself. Me go do it myself. Cause anything you want to get done in this house, they look like you have to go do it. Me will do it myself. Me go upstairs, see gloves them and come back. Not touch nothing. Me will do it. Me clean me one kitchen myself, Maxine.
No problem.
You
No problem, Trevor.
You think me have you up? No, me not have you up.
where the phone there?
The phone that was
The phone.
on top of the.
Yes, which part is there?
I gave it to you.
What a girl fool, so. How we eating for?
I seen the video, mom.
Watcha, which video?
You she know that?
Cheating? On your phone? No, girl. Me? No, sir, not me. It's the plumber. Him come fix something, wet up him all a shirt, and then them say, him a go get a ticket car and park outside or front. So we have to hurry up, put on the shirt, run out before the people them give me a ticket.
Okay, I get it.
Guess what me need you for do?
What?
Your father would overreact if him see that. So I need you to get the phone back from Andrew. Delete the video. Go in there, delete the video, Jody.
Tiffany, me not left Jody.
But I have so much more to offer. What are you saying?
Me not cheat for woman. I'm there. I'm
No,
that.
you're not gonna cheat on her because you're leaving her for me.
Call him over and guess what the deal? Guess what?
What?
You can come and go as he please.
Really?
Come on, my girl. Give it to me. Give it to me, my girl.
I'm gonna call him right now.
Call him.
Okay.
What's the thing? One fool.
No.
Oh, my phone a ring. Yeah, babe?
Hello?
Eh?
Come over right now.
Right now?
Yeah, I'm going to sex.
I got to go, Tiffany. I'll talk to you later, yeah? Call me.
Dang, you're here!
Me, I'll be up now.
I was waiting for you. I missed you so much.
Thank you. I miss you too.
You ready?
Jesus.
But hold on.
What I look for?
You think I can borrow your phone right quick?
Huh?
Can I borrow your phone right quick? Just for like 2 seconds. I can't find mine.
You know, I don't know if I bring it. If I'm at TV, you know, I did get it back.
Remember I gave it to you?
Oh, you did. Think you want to charge, you know?
No, I think I got a charger somewhere here. It's somewhere.
You know, if I do my maths exam to the English teacher, just call off my phone.
But you don't go to
I
school.
wonder if Portia go call me, because I forget tap up on my digital plan.
Okay, anyways. So
You know what square root of 9?
Um,
That
we're
puzzle.
talking.
Eh?
So me and my friend was talking, and she was telling me about this thing called raw sticks. And I was like, she was like, Jordy, it feels so good. You feel like everything, the wetness, the veins, just everything. And I'm like, honestly,
Oh shit, my
I
phone.
think.
It's come on.
Oh, I borrow
Oh, I got
it.
2%.
Let me borrow it.
Huh?
No, she was like, oh, you feel everything, and it's just like it's better. Even though we're taking chances, I think we should try it. I don't want to get pregnant, but you know, it's worth a try. We're ready for a family, no?
You know my passport.
I think we're ready to do it. You not ready? I'm ready. Let me just use it 2 seconds.
Jody, I would tell you say me a cheat.
What? No, what are you talking about?
History class up on Wednesday.
No, just get ready. Get ready. Take it off. I'm waiting for you. Just 2 seconds.
Okay.
2 seconds. Take it off. Take it off. Let me see you.
Yeah,
Oh, take it off.
yeah,
Take it
I
off.
know.
Take it off.
Alright.
Yes. Ooh, I'm ready. Oh, that's one. One more. You got one. Oh, you took it off already. Take off the shirt now.
Relax, my belly big. You never
Yeah.
pay me my look.
Stop it.
Hello.
Here you go.
Maxine, how long now you sit down here so with the curtain that sway?
What's wrong with you? It's a big curtain. It's long, big something.
But why you never wait till tomorrow for sway curtain, Maxine, in my bed with Neagle? So put you left Neagle in if you joke me.
It for joke you. And that it for do.
Maxine, you take this thing for a joke, you know. You're not supposed to in the bed with Nigel, Maxine, you know?
Whatever.
All me I say is when you're done, make sure you put back in English by you get it.
Okay.
But Maxine, you know, say on a serious note, me have something to talk to you about. Maxine, you not sit well with me. You not sit well with me, Maxine.
What you talking about?
See them I talk to Jody and boy, Jesus Christ. Me wish me never know none of this, Maxine, cause no, it can't work now,
You know,
It can't work. There's no way it can work now, Maxine.
Trevor, me sorry, you
Maxine, hear me I say no. Maxine, me and Jody there and we talk and me heart break, you know. Me never know say something like this would happen.
Say it never happen again. It never happen. I'm sorry.
Well, on, we are talking about never happen again, Maxine.
What you are talking about? What you and Jody talk about?
Me and Jody are talking about Andrew. Me are telling you, she not
Andrew.
bring him back. Not bring him back, come here.
Yes.
So what you are talking about?
Same thing you are talking about?
You sure?
Yeah. Andrew, guess what? Me go talk to her again.
We need to talk to her.
Me go talk
Maxine,
to her.
and you have to go talk to him, you know, because if I talk to him one more time, I kill him, Maxine.
Me have it. Me go talk to her.
Can't say me never tell you.
Me
Go talk to him.
go talk to her right now. I'm going right now.
Maxine in Eagle. Me never tell you no.
Trevor. Oh, God.
We want to do shit?
I feel like my period coming on. I don't.
Lock it off, boy.
I don't think we could do this. Ooh, no, not today. I think I'm cramped. Ooh, yeah, it's coming. No, I don't think we can do it. Ooh, what is that?
Sorry.
Jody.
Mom. I'm here.
Hey.
I did it.
You do it?
I did it. Yeah.
Do what? Where do?
You do it?
I deleted the video.
You did, my girl.
So you can stay now.
Stay.
Trevor!
Yes, Maxine.
Mom.
Trevor. You know. Maxine, me a come.
Andrew! Trevor!
Boy, put your clan back over here and see me not check. Maxine, come back over here and see. Come, left body alone.